Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is the defining technological force reshaping economies, governments, and everyday life right now. Nations around the world are pouring billions into research, infrastructure, and talent pipelines, all competing for dominance in what many experts call the most consequential technological race in human history. Some countries have pulled far ahead of the rest, and understanding who they are and why tells us a great deal about where the world is heading. Here are the top 10 countries leading the artificial intelligence revolution. The United States sits firmly at the top of the global artificial intelligence landscape. Home to Silicon Valley, world-class universities, and tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, the country commands an unmatched ecosystem of innovation. With hundreds of billions of dollars flowing into artificial intelligence startups and federal research programs, the United States leads in both private investment and published research. Its ability to attract top global talent remains one of its most powerful advantages. China follows closely and in some areas aggressively challenges American dominance. The Chinese government has made artificial intelligence a national strategic priority, backing its ambitions with a goal to become the world leader in artificial intelligence by 2030. With a massive population generating enormous volumes of data, state-funded research institutions, and companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Huawei pushing boundaries, China has made extraordinary strides in facial recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. The United Kingdom has positioned itself as Europe's artificial intelligence powerhouse. London has emerged as a global hub for artificial intelligence startups, and institutions like DeepMind, now part of Google, were born on British soil. The government has committed significant funding to national artificial intelligence strategies, and the country's strong academic tradition continues to produce world-class researchers who drive innovation forward. Canada, often underestimated in this conversation, deserves significant recognition. The country is widely regarded as the birthplace of modern deep learning, thanks to pioneering researchers like Geoffrey Hinton, Yoshua Bengio, and Yann LeCun. Cities like Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver have developed thriving artificial intelligence ecosystems supported by government investment and close collaboration between universities and industry. Germany brings its legendary engineering precision to the artificial intelligence space. The country is investing heavily in artificial intelligence applications for manufacturing, automotive technology, and industrial automation. Germany's focus on ethical artificial intelligence frameworks and data privacy also positions it as a global thought leader in responsible development. France has made artificial intelligence a cornerstone of its national identity in the technology sector. President Emmanuel Macron's ambitious plan to invest 1.5 billion euros into artificial intelligence research signaled the country's serious intent. Paris has attracted major artificial intelligence research centers from global tech companies, and French universities are producing exceptional talent. Israel, despite its small size, punches far above its weight. Known as the startup nation, Israel has a dense concentration of artificial intelligence companies, particularly in cybersecurity, healthcare, and defense applications. Its culture of innovation, strong military technology programs, and world-class universities make it a formidable player on the global stage. South Korea's artificial intelligence ambitions are backed by industrial giants like Samsung and LG, alongside a government that has pledged billions toward national artificial intelligence development. The country excels in semiconductor manufacturing, which forms the critical hardware backbone of artificial intelligence systems worldwide. Singapore may be small, but its strategic vision is enormous. The city-state has built one of the most comprehensive national artificial intelligence strategies in the world, focusing on smart city applications, finance, and healthcare. Its stable governance, business-friendly environment, and investment in talent development make it a model for how smaller nations can compete globally. India rounds out this list with extraordinary momentum. Home to one of the world's largest pools of technology talent, India is rapidly scaling its artificial intelligence capabilities across agriculture, healthcare, education, and financial services. Government initiatives like the National Artificial Intelligence Strategy and the growth of homegrown startups signal that India is not just participating in the artificial intelligence revolution, it is actively shaping it. The artificial intelligence revolution is not slowing down, it is accelerating. These 10 nations represent the current frontrunners, but the landscape shifts constantly as new breakthroughs emerge and investment flows change direction. What remains clear is that the countries prioritizing artificial intelligence today are building the foundations of tomorrow's global power. The race is on, and the stakes have never been higher.